Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mediterranean lentil soup. Start by preparing your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of brown or green lentils, which are perfect for this hearty soup. Chop up 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatic vegetables form the foundation of our delicious Mediterranean lentil soup. Also, have on hand 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in your 1 cup of rinsed lentils, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and the 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer. Now it's time to infuse our soup with incredible flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for that authentic Mediterranean taste. You can also add a bay leaf for extra depth, removing it before serving. Fresh herbs like a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley or cilantro brighten the dish beautifully. Taste and adjust the salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your easy Mediterranean lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over each serving and sprinkle with more fresh parsley or cilantro. This wholesome and flavorful soup is perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. It's packed with nutrients and incredibly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.